Have you ever wondered how your data is kept safe online? Cybersecurity, my friends, is the unsung hero in this digital age. It's the shield that guards our data from the lurking dangers of the cyber world. From the protection of our computer networks, the encoding of our sensitive information, to the analysis of malicious software, cybersecurity covers it all. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In the next few minutes, we will delve into these key elements of cybersecurity. Let's dive into the intriguing world of cybersecurity. At its core, cybersecurity is a vast field comprising a myriad of key elements. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in maintaining the safety and integrity of our digital world. First up, we have network security, which is all about protecting computer networks from breaches and unauthorized access. It's like the first line of defense for our digital fortresses. Then we have encryption and cryptography, the art of securing information through intricate codes and algorithms. It's like our secret language that only we understand. Cyber threat intelligence involves collecting and analyzing data to predict and prevent cyber threats. It's like having a crystal ball that gives us a heads up about potential dangers. Malware analysis focuses on understanding and mitigating malicious software, such as viruses and ransomware. It's like studying the enemy's tactics to build better defenses. Ethical hacking is about identifying vulnerabilities by simulating attacks. It's like a friendly game of chess where we try to outsmart our own defenses to improve them. Incident response is all about managing and mitigating cybersecurity breaches. It's like our emergency response team, ready to jump into action when things go wrong. Phishing and social engineering explore tactics used to deceive individuals for data theft. It's like understanding the tricks of a skilled magician to not fall for them. Cloud security ensures the safety of data and services stored in the cloud, while IoT security focuses on securing internet-connected devices like smart home gadgets. AI and machine learning in cybersecurity use advanced technology to detect and respond to cyber threats. It's like having a smart guard dog that learns from experience. Understanding cybersecurity laws and regulations, such as GDPR, CCPA, or HIPAA, is like knowing the rules of the game, while data privacy and protection techniques safeguard sensitive information. We also delve into the dark web and cybercrime, investigating illegal activities in hidden online networks. Identity and access management, IAM, ensures that the right individuals access the right resources, while mobile security protects mobile devices and data. The zero-trust security model is about trusting no one and verifying everyone. It's like having a strict bouncer at the club entrance. Biometrics in security involves the use of fingerprint, facial, or voice recognition, and blockchain security explores how blockchain technology enhances security. Finally, we look at cybersecurity careers, discussing training, certifications, and potential career paths in this field. These elements combined form the robust field of cybersecurity that protects us and our data from potential threats. So that was a quick dive into the world of cybersecurity. We've explored everything from network security and encryption to the dark web and cybercrime. We've seen the importance of understanding these topics in an increasingly digital world. Whether it's securing your smart home gadgets or protecting sensitive information, cybersecurity is more relevant now than ever before. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against cyber threats. Stay safe, stay informed.